So, you're thinking about joining Atom Research Foundation. But you may be asking one important question. What do I actually get as a member? First, you get opportunities to learn, participate in workshops, webinars, learning sessions, and activities focused on emerging technologies, research, innovation, and practical skills. The goal is not just to learn more, but to learn things you can actually use. Second, you get opportunities to explore research. Learn how researchers identify problems, study existing work, develop ideas, conduct experiments, and communicate their findings. You can start turning your curiosity into research. Third, you get opportunities to build, work on projects, experiments, challenges, and innovation activities. Because your portfolio should show more than what you studied. It should show what you can create. Fourth, you get access to a community where mentorship and guidance can help you move forward. Learn from experienced professionals, educators, researchers, and mentors. Ask questions, discuss ideas, get feedback, and learn from other people's experiences. Fifth, you become part of a community. Connect with students, researchers, educators, mentors, and innovators. Share knowledge, collaborate on ideas, and build relationships with people who are also interested in learning and innovation. And finally, Atom creates opportunities to participate. Workshops, challenges, projects, events, innovation activities, and opportunities to showcase your work and achievements. But the biggest benefit isn't one workshop, one certificate, or one event. It's the journey. A journey where you can learn, research, build, collaborate, and innovate. If you're ready to make your learning more practical, if you want to explore research, if you want to build projects, and if you want to be part of a community that encourages innovation, Atom Research Foundation is for you. Join Atom. Start your journey today.